Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Just to let you know that I'm at White Sands Beach today, here in Khao Lak, in Thailand. So come and join me and let's have a walk around and see what's going on and the place in general. So as you walk through, you've got the bar areas, restaurant areas. I'll just show you the map. So we're here, and yesterday I was here, so as you can see White Sands is right next to Coconut Beach. So keep on walking through. The bar area, you see all the drinks there. So you've got all imported drinks like Bailey's, Malibu, Jameson's, Bacardi, Smirnoff, Black Label, Jack Daniels, etc. Here's some of the prices down here for some of the food and drinks. I'll just show you quickly. Feel free to pause. In my opinion, I think it's relatively cheap. It's a lot cheaper than the UK prices. As you can see, imported wines. Obviously they're a bit pricier, 1,800 a bottle. Some of the food now. Sorry for racing through these, but I've got a bit of sunbathing to do today before it gets really hot, and then I've got to seek some shade because I have cooked myself a bit too much for the past few days. But as you can see, it's cheap, and there's plenty on offer as well. You can have sandwiches, omelettes, you just want fruits. And as you can see, cocktails, imported beers. These are all the massage areas. Swaddy cap. You see, again for an hour, 400, the most expensive one, full body massage for 1 hour is 600 baht. See, there's plenty of places to sit down, relax, eat, drink. The sun's not quite over us just yet, it's still behind me, but it will get hotter. Swaddy cap. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, hit the little bell. So when you walk down here, you'll be met by the lads who do the sun lounges. 100 baht a sun lounge. You see this gentleman here, he'll sort you out. Swaddy cap. And then there's the beach. Not as busy as Coconut Beach was yesterday. If you look at the video from yesterday, that's on my channel. And Coconut Beach is just down there in the distance. Water's nice and calm, and believe me, when you step in that water, it is like a bath, like a warm, lukewarm bath. It's not cold at all. Good for swimming in, including kids. And one thing you see on the beach as well, there's lots of coral, hermit crabs, and all these little crabs that make shapes with the sand. They roll little balls up. Again, we'll show you later on when they start coming out a bit more. So bear with me and come back to me shortly. It's absolutely stunning. Love it here. Another thing I highly recommend in Thailand is the mango shakes. Really, really tasty. Cool, refreshing, and only 80 baht as well, which is quite cheap, all made fresh. So mango shakes, try it. So before the sun comes up a bit too high and gets too hot, I'll have a little walk along the beach and just show you what's around the area on the beach itself. So I'm walking from the opposite direction of where Coconut Beach is, and I'm walking forward. So White Sands is here. So we're now coming into Ao Phong Beach area. Now I know Ao Phong Beach Resort, it has these little bungalows on there. Maybe I can have a look later on at one of the bungalows and see what they're like inside. So again, so Ao Phong, and now there's Smile Beach Resorts, right next door to each other. Again, the massages. If you're not too keen on the sun, there's plenty of shady areas to sit in before the sun comes over. I think yesterday it was about 35 degrees, 36 degrees. That was on Coconut Beach. So it could be the same temperature today. Make sure you've got your sunblock, and then the after sun for later on. I do highly recommend that you do wear sandals, like I have, because of all the coral on the floor. just so you're aware, and if you're not aware, it is an offence to take any coral from any Thai beach, and you can actually be fined up to 10,000 bahts or even jailed. So think on before you start picking up. So there is some nice pieces of coral. Let me just show you this piece. I mean, look at the patterns on there. Again, if you wasn't aware, these are in memory of the tsunami victims in 2004. So I'm not going to walk any further. The reason why, because my intentions are to go on to the next beach in that direction. But here we are, White Sands. We're up to Thai Memories Beach. Beautiful warm water. So give us a like, subscribe, hit the little bell, leave a comment below, tell me what you think. Absolutely beautiful. So the sun's coming a bit higher now, get a bit warm, so what I'm going to do now is just walk in the sea and have a quick dip. So here goes. Still quite shallow. And it's now just coming up to my waist. Just slowly, gently slopes into the water, and again it's like a lukewarm bath. Really, really good, nice, pleasant, not cold at all. There's no strong undercurrents. So now, as you can see, it's up to my neck, and that's how far out I am to the shoreline. And there you see White Sands Beach right in front of you. And again, Coconut Beach. Let's do a dip under the water to see what it's like underneath. Ready? That was a dip under the water. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, hit the little bell. Absolutely stunning place. It is paradise, honestly. So is there anywhere else in Khao Lak you'd like me to go to? Let me know in the comments below. And I'll catch you soon in the next video. See you later.